Here we are, another day here. It's Easter Sunday here, and oh, you know what?
What?
Oh, you know what? It's Ashley's birthday. Happy birthday to Ashley. Happy birthday to Ashley. Happy birthday to Ashley. Happy birthday to you. There we go. Yes.
Happy birthday, Ashley.
Happy birthday, Ashley. And well, I think your birthday was the 21st, but I'm just getting it out now. But it's a late birthday. But tell your mom to take you to an arcade or something anyway, and
hope it was happy.
Play the claw machines. Have a happy birthday. And now we're gonna do something else. I don't know what.
Boardwalk from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. today, selling beach badges for the bargain price of $35. Get your beach badge early.
That's right.
The price of a badge will increase to $45
Sunday. Seagull. Easter Sunday. What do you want to see? Some seagulls today? What do you want to see?
So pick up your beach badge today and be ready for the opening of the beach on Memorial Day.
Seagulls. It's Seagull Sunday on the beach in Seaside Heights.
Dunkin' Donuts and the Midway Steakhouse.
Maybe I shouldn't buy my beach badges. Now what do you want to do?
I want to go to my party.
Let's keep moving.
It's a close one. Who's going to get that prize, huh?
Around, having a little fun on Casino Pier. Here we are on Casino Pier, walking around, having a little bit of fun. Audience, what are you looking at that poker table for? That hand of poker. Yes, Lucky Leo's poker. Hey, yeah, it's the radio stations here. We're gonna come back later, maybe? I don't know. Who knows? Breeze 107.1, yeah! Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have a birthday or anniversary or any shout out you want me to give, just leave a comment. Until the next time, Later.